Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the measurement system to metric, US or UK on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and from here, tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on Language and Region. Then go down and tap on Measurement Unit or Measurement System, and from the list you could select Metric, US or the UK measurement system. So for some reason I could not select UK as an option. The phone is rather lagging for some reason, so when I tap on it, it does not select the item immediately. So I think it is a bit lagging right now. So let me just change it again. So metric, US or UK. So now it's fast. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.